Good morning, everyone. Today, I will explain business-level strategies. Business-level strategies are the methods companies use to gain a competitive advantage in a specific market. There are four main strategies. First, cost leadership. Focus on becoming the lowest cost producer. Reduce costs while maintaining good quality. Advantage: lower prices attract customers and increase profits. Risk: too much cost cutting may reduce quality, and competitors may lower prices too.
Second, differentiation. Offer unique products or services that stand out from competitors, achieved through innovation, quality, design, or excellent customer service. Advantage: customers are willing to pay more and become loyal. Risk: competitors may copy the unique features, and innovation can be expensive. Third, focused strategy. Target a specific market segment instead of the whole market. Two types: cost focus, lower prices for a niche market. Differentiation focus, unique products for a niche market. Advantage: better meets the needs of a specific customer group. Risk: heavy dependence on one market segment. Fourth, blue ocean strategy. Create a new market where there is little or no competition. Uses four actions: eliminate, reduce, raise, create. Advantage: less competition and greater growth opportunities. Risk: requires high investment and success is uncertain. Good morning, everyone. Today, I will present corporate-level strategies. Corporate-level strategies are long-term plans that help companies decide where to compete and how to use their resources to achieve business success. There are four main strategies. First, growth strategy focuses on expanding the business through market penetration, market development, product development, diversification, or mergers and acquisitions. Second, stability strategy aims to maintain the company's current position by reducing risks and improving efficiency without major changes. Third, retrenchment strategy is used during financial difficulties. Companies reduce costs, reorganize operations, or sell non-core businesses to improve performance. Fourth, diversification strategy allows companies to enter new markets or industries. It can be related to the existing business or unrelated, helping reduce risk and create new growth opportunities. Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss global strategies and the three major approaches companies use to compete internationally: multi-domestic strategy, global strategy, and transnational strategy. First, what are global strategies? Global strategies are long-term plans that help organizations compete in international markets. They allow businesses to expand into new countries, reach more customers, increase profits, and strengthen their competitive advantage in the global economy. The first approach is the multi-domestic strategy. A multi-domestic strategy focuses on adapting products and services to meet the needs of each local market. Instead of selling the same product everywhere, companies customize their products, marketing, and operations according to local culture, customer preferences, and regulations. The main advantages are higher customer satisfaction, stronger customer loyalty, and better responses to local market conditions. However, this strategy also increases costs because companies need separate operations for each country, making coordination more difficult. Examples of companies using this strategy include McDonald's, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble. The second approach is the global strategy. A global strategy treats the entire world as one market. Companies sell standardized products with consistent branding, pricing, and marketing across different countries. This approach helps reduce production costs, improve efficiency, and achieve economies of scale. However,
One challenge is that standardized products may not fully meet local customer preferences or comply with every country's regulations. Companies may still need to make small adjustments for cultural or legal reasons. Examples of companies following a global strategy include Coca-Cola and McDonald's.
The third approach is the transnational strategy. A transnational strategy combines global efficiency with local responsiveness. Companies standardize their core products while adapting certain features to meet local customer needs. This allows businesses to maintain a strong global brand while remaining flexible in different markets.
The advantages include lower costs through economies of scale, innovation through global knowledge sharing, and better customer satisfaction. However, managing this strategy is more complex because it requires strong coordination across many countries. Examples of companies using a transnational strategy are McDonald's, Procter & Gamble, and Toyota.
Good day, everyone. Today, I will discuss strategy implementation, which is an important stage of the strategic management process. First, what is strategy implementation? Strategy implementation is the process of putting a chosen strategy into action. It ensures that the organization's plans are carried out effectively and efficiently. Successful implementation requires organizing the company, allocating resources, creating policies and procedures, and establishing effective communication throughout the organization. Next is organizational structure. Organizational structure defines how responsibilities, authority, and communication are arranged within a company. Choosing the right structure is important because it supports the organization's strategy and improves performance. There are 4 common types of organizational structures. The functional structure groups employees by departments such as marketing, finance, and operations. It works best for small businesses with a limited range of products or services. The divisional structure groups employees based on products, geographic regions, or customer groups. Each division operates independently, making it suitable for large organizations with multiple product lines. The matrix structure combines functional and divisional structures. Employees report to both functional managers and product managers. This structure is useful for companies that manage complex projects. Finally, the network structure relies on external partners and contractors. It offers flexibility and allows organizations to adapt quickly to changing business environments.
The second topic is leadership and corporate culture. Leadership plays a vital role in implementing strategy. Effective leaders communicate the organization's vision, motivate employees, provide guidance, and encourage innovation and accountability. Corporate culture refers to the company's values, beliefs, and behaviors. A positive culture increases employee commitment, improves teamwork, and helps attract and retain talented employees. Organizations can strengthen their culture by investing in employee training, maintaining open communication, encouraging collaboration, and rewarding employees who demonstrate company values. Without effective leadership and a positive workplace culture, even the best strategy may fail.
The final topic is strategic change management. Strategic change management is the process of managing organizational changes to achieve strategic objectives. Since technology, markets, and the economy constantly change, organizations must also adapt to remain competitive. The change management process involves identifying the need for change, developing a strategy, implementing the changes, and monitoring the results. Several well-known models support this process, including Lewin's change management model, Kotter's 8-step model, and the ADKAR model. One of the biggest challenges during change is employee resistance. Organizations can overcome this by communicating clearly,
involving employees and other stakeholders, listening to their concerns, and building support throughout the change process.